Market update for the 8th. So it's been pretty clear, I think, or it's getting more clear what is going on here at the very top of this and all this chop. Last video wasn't really 100% sure. I think I said we were going to go to 428 or 430, or maybe that was a chart that I did. But it's pretty clear that we finished the third wave right here. So if we zoom out, finish the third wave, we have A, B, 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's pretty clear. It finished right there, and then this looks like a fourth wave. We go down to the 2-hour time frame. We get A, B, C right there, fourth wave. That retraced about 0.23, so that's pretty much what we look for a fourth wave. And then now we're getting a bunch of A, B, C patterns. We're on the 2-hour chart right here. We have A, B, C. I'm going to label that just 1 for now. I could label it A as well. But A, B, C, 2. And then it looks like to me that we have A, B, and we should get a move higher. I think tomorrow maybe a little bit more downside, and then maybe the third wave. So I would expect that to probably take us to maybe the I would say either tomorrow or maybe into Wednesday. So we'll say Wednesday, we get the third wave. And that should be around, I guess we don't know what it's going to be around, but if we take the fib retracement tool, and let's say we do a third wave at 1.61, that would take us to 420 already. So we would have A, B, C. Let's see what the 1.61 is of this. And maybe even higher than that, maybe 422. We'll have to see tomorrow, but 422. And let's say that this actually plays out like that. We get a move like this. And then we would get a fourth wave, A, B, C down to here. Again, we don't have the fourth wave in my opinion. So we have 1, 2, let's say we get third wave all the way over here. Fourth wave maybe into OPEX. So if we get 422, we would be looking for about 419.48 for a fourth wave. And then we would ultimately get, and look at that, pretty much exactly the targets I have, 428. I think 428, 430 is a pretty good target right there. So then we would have a fifth wave. Let's say we extend this. We would be looking at maybe even higher than that, knowing that this is actually extended into OPEX. Maybe we hit it going into OPEX maybe a little bit later, but I would be looking for something between 428 and 433. And the way I got those targets is I take the fib retracement tool and I take it down here to the very start of this wave, or the first 3 waves, and then we take it to the bottom of the fourth wave, and we get 428 and 433, the 0.5 and the 0.68 fibs. And so, because this is an ABC pattern on the, even on the 4-hour time frame, or maybe not, maybe on the 2-hour time frame only, we get ABC, and then this looks like it's only A, so B, C. So we'd have 1, 2, 3, 4, and then maybe get fifth wave going into OPEX. So we can put this over here and a B wave right here. And so why do I think this is going to work out, and why am I confident about this probably playing out somewhat similar to this, is the dollar. Go back to the dollar all the time. I don't think people use it enough, but Elliott wave works on it. and it gives you a lot of clues on where you're at in the chart. And here we finished this move all the way up to 109.30, and then we had a clear ABC move right here. If you take the parallel line right here, bring it down, you can see it's a clear ABC move. So we have A, do a 4-hour time frame, A, B, C, B, and then we can draw, get rid of these. We can draw it at the very top, and you can see that we have a lot of room to move down for the C wave, because the B wave only retraced a little bit over the 0.38 fib. So it's most likely going to be a zigzag. A zigzag usually is about 1.61. Could be less, but that would take us all the way down to 102.43. The 0.38 fib, let me zoom out here and get the exact fib retracements. The 0.38 and 0.23 fibs are 105.50. Do that right? Yeah, 105.50 all the way, here, hold on, to 102.12. And so again, go back to the 2-hour time frame, 105.50 to 102.12. The 1.61 fib is 102.44, right in the middle, 105.50, which we already hit on the A wave, so it's not going to stop there. So 105.50 to 102.12, and so we could see the C wave come all the way down here. And so you can see the dollar is giving us clues of what's going to happen, and I've been talking about for a long time, we're waiting for that fourth wave on the monthly chart. So we have 1, 2, 3. So if we get down to 102.12, and this ended on the 14th, I think. Let's see. Yeah, July 14th. So we only have 6 more days for that red candle to form. And I'm expecting this to go all the way to possibly August 24th. And so that would definitely be a red candle. That would give us the red candle on the monthly. And that would give us another 2 weeks of being able to go higher in the overall market, which, as you can see, would work perfectly for the timeline for this move higher. And that would give us a monthly red candle down here, and then we'd have one more move higher on the dollar. And you know what's going to happen when that happens. We're going to get B wave ending right here, and then we'll get the final move down down to here, most likely in the low 300s, as the dollar goes from 102 all the way probably, let's see what a good target is for the dollar. So 102, probably anywhere from 112.47 to 114.92, and then we're probably also going to get the VIX. We zoom out here. The VIX is probably going to spike, in my opinion, going to spike. I would say a good target would be the 1.61 fib of this, which is about 48. So we get a VIX to 48, dollar to 112 to 115. After we top out here, we should see SPY down here in the low 300s. But just going over the daily, tomorrow I expect maybe a small dip in the morning and then a move to start higher going into the next couple of days, maybe all the way to 420. So that's the update for today. VIX, dollar, and SPY. Let me know what you think in the comments and how you're playing this. After hours is up pretty big, and so it's looking like, I mean, after hours doesn't really matter that much, but it's moving in the right direction towards our target. Overall target is 428 to 433, probably by OPEX or maybe a week after OPEX.